Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So this is just a mini little Ulta haul that I wanted to share with you guys because I purchased a few things and I wanted to do a little swatch party with y'all, and I wanted to get your opinion on some of the stuff that I bought. So if you love videos like this, then don't forget to like it, give it a thumbs up, and let's just do a little swatch party. Let's just jump right into it. It's gonna be a quick little what I bought from Ulta.
You my only one. You my number one. You're one-on-one. I wanna go one-on-one with you, one-on-one, and I want you to want me too.
Okay, so starting off with these juicy, what is this called? These are the NYX Fat Lip Drip Oils. I have 3 shades, so I purchased Supermodel, Missed Call, and Scrollin'. These were the only 3 that looked appealing to me. Like, I usually go for pinks and brown nudes. That's just my thing. Like right now I have on 𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗗𝗧𝗦, I think, from e.l.f. That's like a lip gloss that I'm wearing right now if y'all curious. Oh, and with the BFF3 lip liner by ColourPop. That's my lip combo. But let's swatch these. This one right here is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. They come out the tube like a little stringy, I don't know. But I'm gonna swatch all 3 of them. So we have Missed Call, which gives off like a rosy kind of vibe. It's like rosy. This one is pink. It's a lot more pink. This is Supermodel. And then Scrollin' is like a caramel nude warm brown. They came off like a tinted gloss to me. They don't appear to be a oil. Okay, a good oil. Where's my? Is the e.l.f. Glow Revive Lip Oil. These are bomb. Let me show y'all what this look like. This is bomb. I'm gonna swatch this at. I'm gonna swatch it on the side. Well, this come off like a gloss too. I just had to throw this in here because I just bought this as well. It's right here. This is very, very sheer, but it's also like a beige nude kind of light. Whereas this one gives me more caramel vibes, the Scrollin' one, but this one gives me brown, like brown nude beige. Love this. So pretty. Okay, what else? Let's go to the next one. While we're in the lip gloss realm, just like I mentioned to you guys, the one I just had, what shade was that? This is in the shade Honey Talks. Bomb. It's a sheer tint. I feel like the NYX ones give off a little bit more. They're still sheer, but they give off a little bit more. This is very sheer. So I went and bought the apricot oil. Well, I went and brought the pink quartz. This one, honestly, when you look at the swatches, they all look similar, the same. So that's why I kind of went for that beige color. And then I also went for the pink quartz because this is probably more than likely going to come off clear. Let's just swatch it. Yeah, this is basically clear. It doesn't really have a color to it. It's this one right here. You can't even see it. But because I love the way the what is this, Honey Talks feel on the lips, I went and bought the rose quartz one. These are so amazing. e.l.f. did they big one on this. Like I'm gonna give it to e.l.f. The way this feels, the slip of this is like chef's kiss. It does give you a little glow as well, so it just kind of reminds me of like a very buttery gloss, but it's a balm. Well, a lip oil. It feels like a glossy balm. These are a bomb, you guys. It feels like a better Summer Fridays. It's crazy. It feels like a better Summer Fridays. Summer Fridays is good for the luxury, like the high end, but for drugstore, e.l.f., you can't beat it. So I picked up 3 more glosses. I'm trying not to go into glosses. I don't know if y'all seen my lipstick and lip gloss video. I have so many. I don't even know why I'm like fishing for more. But only because if it's something I see that's like different, I'll get it. But like if it's the same thing, I don't need it. Especially because I already got a drugstore option. I don't need to pick nothing else unless something stands out about it. Like seriously, I'm just wiping my hand because we're going to get into this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. And this is in the shade Major Throwback. Now this one looks like it's a little bit more pigmented, so that's why I got it, because it's still sheer, but it gives off that really like light beige. You probably won't be able to see it. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. The other one gave me brown beige, the one from 𝑒.l.f. Honey Talks. This one is more like a pinky, it leans a little bit more slight pink beige, but like beige on the more pinkier side. And I thought it was cute, especially for like a very nude lip combination type of deal. If you just want to put on something with a little coverage. It's not so sheer, but it's also not pigmented like that. You'll get a little payoff in this if you're looking for like something like how I'm doing right now with this peach Bellany or Polony from 𝗏. They're not the same. This is more pinky and this is more beige pink, more sheer. This is the 𝗏 lip plumping gloss, much more sheer, whereas this one has a little bit more coverage, but still cute. I like them both. So yeah, that's another one I got. I really think it's so cute. The next one I got is the Drip Gloss by Morphe. Now this is called Drenched Drip Coffee. Okay. This girl, Drip Coffee, bomb. So let's talk about the packaging first. Hold on, let me show y'all the packaging. I like simple, cute stuff. Okay, and this has it looks really chocolate from the packaging, but it's not like heavy in color. Let me just swatch it on. It has pigment though, but on the lips it's super pretty, like a brown nudie. Look at that. And I don't like my colors, I honestly don't like my colors to be super nude. Oh, sorry. I don't like my colors to be glossy, like reds, oranges, like anything that has a lot of pigment. I don't like pigmented glossy looks. I like my glossy looks to be on the sheer to medium side, and mostly nude color tones like pinks and browns, beiges. But this is a brown. I want to say this is still, depending on your skin tone, this is still a brown nude gloss. On me, it's going to show a little bit more pigment. And then like depending on the liner that I use, if I use like a darker liner, I probably can get away with it looking like a little nudie, and then like probably ombre the center of my lips just to give it a little bit more of that nude effect for my skin tone. If you're a little bit more tanner than me to deep complexion, yo, this right here is bomb. So I did pick this up, and then I ended up getting the clear version too, just because I really like the way this felt. The slip of it was like super glossy, and it's high shine too. So I got the clear version because I was using the Essence clear gloss. That is very shiny, and it's not sticky either. So that's really shiny, and it's not sticky at all. So this doesn't have a tack to it. Slightly has a slight tack, but if you're looking for something that's really shiny as well, and you don't want it to have a tack at all, like you don't want it to be sticky or nothing like that, go with Essence clear gloss, and it's cheap too. It's super high shine. It's bomb. But yeah, I picked up these two because they're the only ones that kind of like was standing out to me. The other colors in this line, meh. I don't know, when I swatched them they kind of looked like they were breaking up, whereas this brown did not break up. So I picked the brown up, and then I picked up the clear. I ended up getting 2 lip liners. The first lip liner is this Line Loud. It's the shade Total Baller. Like I was looking for, let me go ahead and wipe this off. I was looking for like a nude lip liner that is a little bit darker than my lips, but not too much darker. Like this is BFF3, and it's decent. I feel like it's a little darker. You know, if I'm looking for like that nude look, I kind of feel like this is one step down, but it is still cute though. I still like it. But let's swatch this one. When I swatched Total Baller, I was like, that is it right there. Like when I'm looking for like a nude lip combination, you're probably gonna be like, that don't look no different. This, what is this by again? This is by NYX, the Line Loud. So this is what it looks like. in all honesty, it's a pinch lighter than BFF3, but it's kind of like still in a ballpark. It's just to me it's a little bit more warm, but it's definitely like this pencil right here, this color on my complexion. If you are medium to tan skin tones, this is a bomb affordable nude lip liner without having to break the bank. But MAC Chestnut, y'all know that's a good one. Or One Size have a really nice one. It's called Rent Due. That's another good one. I feel like Rent Due is the luxury version to BFF3 because they're exactly the same color. I swatched it on my TikTok. They're exactly the same color. But yeah, so I did pick up this, and then I picked up Sweet Tea, which I do feel maybe similar to my same lip color. Well, no, not necessarily. This is more like that nude look. If I'm going for like a nude, like a true nude lip liner and nude lip, I would use Sweet Tea, because look at that. Yeah, definitely will go with Sweet Tea. I do feel like Sweet Tea is a little bit darker than my lips. It's my lip color, but just a little pinch darker. So I did pick up Sweet Tea. Actually, I have 3 pencils. So the BFF3, I didn't pick that up. I picked up BFF2. Okay, so I'm going to swatch BFF2, but then I'm going to swatch BFF3 right next to it. Now, to me, the color tones is not the same. So I have BFF3, and I thought, like, I have that on my lips right now, and I felt like I just wanted something just a smidge lighter. So I went for BFF2, but the color tone shift is crazy. It's not the same. Like, BFF3 is a little bit more brown, whereas BFF2 is a lot more pinky rose nude. So I don't think they're in the same tone, but BFF2 is exactly my lip color but darker, whereas BFF3 is a lot more warmer. But I do feel like they both work. I just feel like BFF2 will definitely give me that bomb nude, like my lips but better, line better type of deal. So I did pick up that BFF2. And then I swatched, what is this one? Total Baller, which is this one right here. So I picked up these 3. This is the BFF2, Total Baller, and then this one is Sweet Tea. Sweet Tea is definitely the lightest of the 3 that I picked up. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. I think I did try it on my lips, I'm not sure, because I took it out of the package, I just can't remember. But I did love BFF2 when I swatched it in the store, and I was like, that's my perfect, my lips but better lined. So that is all. I did also pick up this little 18 CT Matte Essentials palette from Ulta. That's what I have on my eyes, so I did do like a little try on with this. I love this palette. This is what I have on my eyes right now. I filmed the look before I did this video, and it actually is a really good palette. It's very pigmented. I love it because it's neutral colors, right? It's like a bomb neutral palette, and I feel like they're very pigmented, but you got to blend these, baby. Like, take your time. I don't know if you can see, I had a little hiccup, but I cleaned it up, and I didn't do nothing like spectacular with the eyeshadow. But you gotta take your time blending these because they can take a little more getting in there so you can blend them out. But other than that, those are all the little products that I picked up. I just wanted to do a quick video so I can share with y'all what I got. If you love little videos like these where I share with y'all like stuff that I got or products that I'm using or going to use, also write in the comments like, does any of these products that y'all have? Because definitely, even though I'm trying to slow down on buying makeup, I have a lot. I'm trying to slow down, but if you have any like faves, like holy grails, drop them in the comments. I probably already have it, but I'd love to see what's out there. Like, I love what the girlies is like currently wearing and what's popping. I just be wanting to know, because I kind of feel like, how many shades can you come out with? a bunch. So yeah, definitely leave it in the comments if any of these are some products that you use or your holy grails, or if you have holy grails, I want to know which ones for the lip liners and lip glosses are your holy grails. Don't forget to subscribe while you at it. We are constantly growing. Thank you for 3K. Love you all, and until next time,